Here is the unboxing of my brand new toilet tank parts. This is not the whole order. These are just the first two boxes, so when I get the next ones, I'll just merge the videos together and it will all be done as one. So anyway, let's get started. So we've got some packaging here. Looks like they're tied together. It's sort of an odd way to put it. We've got a set that's got the wrong tank to bowl gasket, so I'm going to have to call them about that. This is supposed to be a tank to bowl gasket, and it looks like it's for one of those 50s emblems, even though it was pictured as something different. But I did get the bolts, so I'll probably call them about that later. I ordered a few of these. Here's another one like that. Another one. Here are the bolts. I don't know how many there are of these, but I guess I'll open it and we can see. Three sets of bolts. And we've got three more of these with the wrong types of gasket. And that is the end of this box. So now let's move all of this over and start on this one. Not sure what parts are in here. These would be my two 3-inch flush valves. These are both the same. So that's it for these two boxes. On to the next ones. Here are the next two boxes. For whatever reason, they have sent my order in 4 different cartons, and these are the same size as the other ones. So let's get started. And this little thing's got my personal info, so if you don't mind, I'm going to pull that out. These look like tank to bowl gaskets. They said these were 3-inch, but they're 2-inch. Honestly, it doesn't really matter since I just ordered these as an experiment to see what size they actually came out to be. As you can see, double seal sponge rubber gasket. Can't really see what it is, so I'm just going to go ahead and open one of these. Just our standard sponge gasket for a 2-inch flush valve. So that's this out of the way. Don't know why that needed a whole box. This has got some substance to it. Here are my fill valves. Pro Plus anti-siphon ball cock. I put one of these in the 1989 Kohler Wellworth at my grandparents' house, and it is still functioning like new. So that's all these fill valves. And I still have more cartons of 2-inch flush valves and float balls on their way. So yet again, I will merge that video when I get to it, or when it arrives in the mail. My last box finally came on November 15th. I got my first one on August 10th, so it took them over 3 months and a lot of phone calls to actually send this. I don't know if I'll ever be ordering from this company again. So this box is supposed to have my float balls and my 2-inch flush valves. And this is going to be the last carton, hopefully, that I get. Let's see what's inside it. This little part of a jar is actually proving to be really useful. There might be a packing slip in here, so I might have to point the camera away for a little bit. But it looks like float balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how many I ordered. And now for the flush valves, I got 9 of these. And I've had them come where these little things are broken, and I have to call and get them to send replacements. So I really hope that does not happen this time. But these are just your basic Pro Plus flush valves. They're dangerous to Californians. I should have 9 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now let's check them, see if any of them are broken. They all look good. So that's my last order of tank parts. Got my 5 fill valves, my 5 float balls and my 9 flush valves. I can get right back to restoring toilets like I used to. Anyway, thanks for watching. I never thought it would take this long to make this video, but I guess supply chain shortages and all that. So anyway, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and turn on notifications. It helps my channel a lot and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.